Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, greetings, AliShanMao here. Welcome to this sidewalk which is just next to the stadium, and the stadium which is just next to the park right behind me, and the park that is just next to my living area, my apartment. So tonight I'm going to fly the Fimi X8 Mini, my radio, unfold the little baby, take off the camera cover, 2 batteries right here. This is standard battery, this is pro battery. How do you tell? The pro battery is kind of, you can say, have edges, a squarish type, while the standard battery is kind of round. So I'm just gonna put the standard battery in and get this thing ready. Fimi X8 SE is still flying. I brought it back when it was around 37% of battery left. Now let's see how much battery left. I will just move it around a little bit, and once it lands itself, we will know what is the flight time we got with the standard battery. Do remember, I was flying it around to shoot videos and take pictures around this area, okay? And now I'm hovering just for the sake of shooting this video clip. So let's see what is the remaining battery and how long more it will fly.